Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You've got data with unwanted leading spaces. Start with a helper column right next to it so you don't lose originals. First, select the top cell of the helper column and enter a function that will remove spaces. You'll use trim because it trims ordinary leading and trailing spaces and reduces extra interior spaces. However, make sure to inspect characters. If spaces persist, they may be non-breaking char 160. Next, prepare to combine substitute with trim when necessary, so you catch both kinds. Once done entering the trim plus substitute formula in the helper column, drag or double-click the fill handle to apply it to all rows. Make sure Excel fills every row. You can validate by using LEN on original versus cleaned cells to confirm leading spaces are gone. If lengths match expected counts, you're good. For pattern data, flash fill or text to columns can quickly standardize leading delimiters. If the dataset contains formulas, remember to copy, then paste special values to replace formulas with clean text. You're almost finished. Copy the cleaned helper column and paste special values over the original column to permanently remove leading spaces, then delete the helper column. Make sure to save a backup before bulk replacements so you can revert if needed. If some spaces remain, check for hidden characters like char 160 or char 7 and rerun substitute for those codes, or use clean to strip non-printing characters. Also, ensure calculation is set to automatic so formulas recalc. Manual mode can leave old results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.